Hello everyone watching and welcome. On today's video, we are going to be using some cat eye gels I got from Shein. Alright, so I did a Shein nail haul not too long ago and I unboxed these gels in that video. It is a kit with 6 super pretty cat eye gels. It also came with one of these magnets. It has 2 different sides, one to pull closer and one to push away. So I am super excited about this. I've never done a nail set with cat eye gels, so I'm so excited to see how these nails are going to turn out and what design I'm going to come up with. We already have all the colors swatched out, so we're not really worried about that today. Here all of them are. These up here are a different kit that I got in that video, but here are all of the swatches for these colors. They are absolutely gorgeous. I tried to get a kit with a lot of different diversity in colors, so I just absolutely love these. I cannot wait to see what I come up with. I think these are some gorgeous colors. I think they're going to be super fun to work with. Super pretty. Some of them I use the cat eye effect magnets on, and a couple of them I did not. I already have all of my tips sized out. I'm going to be using some like short to medium square clear nail tips, full cover nail tips. So yeah, we're just gonna honestly get into sticking these right on. First, I'm gonna go ahead and do the pop off method. For this, we are going to be needing some cuticle oil, and today I am again going to be using some matte top coat. So you want to go ahead and take your cuticle oil. I definitely need to buy some more. And go ahead and just put it on your nail beds, rub it in, and then put your top coat on. You can use any kind of top coat. I'm going to be using some matte top coat today. All right, now that that is done, I'm gonna go ahead and put this to the side, and we are going to stick these nails on. Actually, before we do that, I'm gonna file off the little tab at the end. All right, now I'm going to go ahead and stick these nails on with the Gel X method, and we're going to be using some 3-in-1 gel glue by S60 Cosmetics. Right, so I think I thought of a cute little idea for a nail set. So the colors I'm going to be needing today, I think might be these two. Yep. I picked them out right. So I'm going to be needing this green, this gorgeous green, and this absolutely gorgeous like tan color, or like gold, like champagne. It's so pretty. So we are going to be using these two colors today. So let's just jump right into it. I think I'm going to need a nude base on a couple of these nails. So we're gonna pull out my favorite nude base, which is Champagne by Madame Glam. Okay, so I think I'm gonna put the base on all 4 of these nails and leave this one out. Oh, for the pinky, I'm gonna go ahead and start off with our first cat eye gel and just go ahead. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys, all of these brushes are like super messed up. I unboxed them in that Shein haul and I was really sad to see all of the brushes really messed up, but it just is what it is. So first I'm gonna go ahead and paint a layer of this right here, and no further. Next, I'm going to take this blending brush and go down the nail. Okay, so I don't know really like what design I want to do, but let's just see what it looks. Oh, okay. Know if I should keep it like this or do a second coat. I really do like how it looks like that, but maybe I should try a second coat and just to see how it looks. Okay, I just wiped off that second coat that I put because it wasn't looking good. I don't know what I was trying to do, but it just wasn't looking good. So I think I'm just going to keep it right here. Now I'm going to take this nude and blend it up the nail. I decided that I want to do the same thing that I did on this finger to this finger and also this one. So yeah, I'm going to do this one in, I think, this color mixed with this color, and I'm going to do this one in just green. Okay, so this turned out super cute. So now I want to go ahead and see how both of these colors looked mixed into an ombre on this nail. I hope it still works really well as a cat eye gel. I have really never seen this done before. I forgot to do the cat eye effect before I cured it. So now this is just how the nail looks. It doesn't look bad, but I'm a little sad I didn't try it out. For these next nails, I'm just going to do some random nail art with these cat eye gels on the nails. Alright, so now that we are done with all of the nails and the base of them, we're going to go ahead and add our little nail art. So I pulled out a few things. I pulled out these super cute little mini hearts that my friend got me. They're so pretty and they're clear. And then I also have these bows that are also clear, but they are colored and iridescent. So they look really good with these gel polishes, which is a good reason why I picked them. I cannot wait to decorate these nails and make them look all cute, because the base is definitely a base, but I feel like it's a little overwhelming, and I feel that adding on top of it will somehow make it less overwhelming. So let's do that. And so I'm going to be using this top coat today. This is from Shein as well. I think I like it so far. Using it a couple times, so we're going to use it again in this nail set to stick on these charms and also seal in the nails. All right, so here are the nails. I'm gonna go ahead, put on some top coat and some rings, and here they are completely done. So here are the finished nails. They are absolutely gorgeous. I am personally obsessed with the thumb. I think it is so cute. Also, I've been trying to use these heart charms for the longest, but every single time I put them on the nail, I feel like they look a little weird because they are so clear. But you know, I think I made it work this time around. I really do like how they look. The charms are absolutely gorgeous. Of course, the polishes are just gorgeous. I think I need to have a little bit more time working with these gels so I can learn how the magnet works a bit more, because I feel whenever I try to go over top of the nail and like do something with the magnet, it wasn't working as well as if I went under the nail and did it. So definitely have some more experimenting to do with these cat eye gels, but I absolutely love how these nails turned out. They are absolutely gorgeous. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, tell friends, subscribe if you're not already, comment. I love your guys' comments, and yeah, bye!